Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to hide your friends lists on Facebook or how to make the friend list for you only or private only so no one can see it but you. Now, first you need to make sure that you are on your personal Facebook account, not on a business account or a page or something like that. And once you are on your personal Facebook profile, simply tap on the menu icon here at the very bottom right, which has your photo on it. Tap on it. And then go to the settings, which is like the gear icon at the top right. Tap on it. And then scroll down a bit till you see under audience and visibility right here, the third option, how people find and contact you. Tap on it. And here at the top, you should see the option for your friends. So who can send you friend requests, and what we are here for, who can see your friends list. So if I tap on who can see my friends list, now it's set to public, so it means anyone can see my friend list. You can set it to only your friends or friends except, so you can add exceptions. Specific friends, so you can choose specific friends to see your friends list, or you can set it to only me. This way it'll be private and no one else can see your friend list but you. Now the last thing is to tap on save at the bottom and you are good to go.